Integrating Zopa credit score into your financial assessment process can be a valuable tool for evaluating an individual's creditworthiness. To start, you need to understand what Zopa credit score is and how it works. The Zopa credit score is a measure of an individual's credit history, taking into account their payment history, credit utilization, and other factors. The first step to integrate Zopa credit score is to sign up for a Zopa account and obtain an API key. This key will allow you to access the Zopa credit score data and integrate it into your system. Once you have the API key, you can use it to make API requests to retrieve the credit score data for a specific individual. To make an API request, you will need to provide the individual's personal and financial information, such as their name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to specify the type of credit score you want to retrieve, such as a credit score for a loan or credit card application. Once you have made the API request, you will receive a response that includes the individual's credit score and other relevant information, such as their credit history and payment history. You can then use this data to evaluate the individual's creditworthiness and make informed decisions about their loan or credit application. It is essential to handle the credit score data securely and in compliance with relevant regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation. You should also ensure that you have the necessary permissions and consents to collect and process the individual's personal and financial information. Best practices for integrating Zopa credit score include using secure and reliable APIs, handling errors and exceptions properly, and providing clear and transparent information to the individual about how their credit score data will be used. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively integrate Zopa credit score into your financial assessment process and make more informed decisions about loan and credit applications. In terms of practical examples, you can use the Zopa credit score to evaluate an individual's creditworthiness for a loan application. For instance, if an individual has a high credit score, you may be more likely to approve their loan application and offer them a lower interest rate. On the other hand, if an individual has a low credit score, you may need to take additional steps to verify their creditworthiness or offer them a higher interest rate. Overall, integrating Zopa credit score can be a valuable tool for evaluating an individual's creditworthiness and making informed decisions about loan and credit applications. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, you can effectively integrate Zopa credit score into your financial assessment process and improve your decision-making capabilities.